Please be seated. The President of the Senate, the former President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Ebele Jonathan GCFR, distinguished and honorable members of the National Assembly, the governors of the NDDC states, and may I recognize in a special way the administrator, our host of Rivers State, Admiral Ibas, former Chief of Naval Staff, members of the Federal Executive Council, especially the ministers of regional development who are here with us. The Royal Highnesses here present, the Chairman, NDDC, the Managing Director, NDDC, members of the NDDC, top management of NDDC and staff, invited guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I stand in for the President of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, the man who respects the Niger Delta and the man who loves the Niger Delta. He would have been here himself, but as most of you know, he has not yet returned from the BRICS, which took place in faraway Brazil. Permit me to proceed with his statement on this great occasion. It is with great joy that I address you on this momentous occasion, marking the Silver Jubilee of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. On this day, Saturday, 12 July, we commemorate exactly 25 years since the federal government established the NDDC to drive the overall development of the Niger Delta. As the pioneer regional development commission in our country, the NDDC has indeed come a long way. Born out of the federal government's desire to advance holistic development of Niger Delta, the NDDC remains central and pivotal to the region's economic growth and material well-being of the people. This vital region and its people occupy an irreplaceable position in our nation, rich in hydrocarbon and agricultural resources, and blessed with outstanding human capital. This region has played a significant role in Nigeria's development before and after independence, a role it will undoubtedly continue to play in the years ahead. Community development is very close to my heart, particularly of my administration. Indeed, the NDDC was one of the first full boards inaugurated shortly after I assumed office. This prompt action underscores the priority we place on the Commission as a vehicle for accelerating development in the Niger Delta. Since the inception of this administration, the NDDC has received increased funding from the federal government, enabling it to meet its obligations and deliver key projects. We will continue to ensure that the Commission remains adequately empowered to carry out its functions effectively and maximally. Within this short period, we have repositioned the Commission for better service delivery. This is evident in the commissioning of several key projects, such as the Ogba-Nembe Road and bridges in Bayelsa State, and the Okitipupa electrification project in Ondo State, which has restored electricity to communities that have been in darkness for over 15 years, amongst other projects. In the same vein, our flagship infrastructure project, the 750-kilometer Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, traverses 7 of the 9 Niger Delta states. This transformative legacy project will serve as a viable alternative to the East-West Road, significantly enhancing transportation, driving economic development, and unlocking tourism opportunities. It will foster trade and connectivity across the region while opening up new investment prospects in the hydrocarbon belt and spurring the growth of ecotourism and blue economy-based industries in the region. I have also directed the board and management of the Commission through the Minister of Regional Development to complete and deliver abandoned critical projects, including the Kaataba Bridge, Borikiri Bridge, Boni Ring Road, Baregolo Bridge, Road and Bridges, and the East-West Sampu Roads and Bridges, among several others. Beyond infrastructural development, the NDDC must continue to prioritize human capital development as it remains a primary index of progress. Projects and programs that directly impact the lives of ordinary people in rural areas must be prioritized. In this regard, I commend the board and management for the Light Up the Niger Delta initiative, which has not only reduced night crimes and enhanced security, but has also extended trading hours and improved social life across the region. I also urge you to place special emphasis on empowering the youth and women of the region. The NDDC must constructively engage the youth, steering them away from violence and militancy towards entrepreneurship and other legitimate means of self-development. This administration prioritizes youth development, and I encourage the NDDC to collaborate with the Ministry of Youth Development to leverage the various initiatives available. Furthermore, there can be no sustainable development without peace, security of lives and property, and adherence to the rule of law. The NDDC must continue to work towards sustaining peace in the region. Another critical area for the Commission is agriculture. Beyond its vast hydrocarbon resources, the Niger Delta possesses enormous agricultural potential. I urge the NDDC to invest in initiatives that will harness and maximize these agrarian resources for the benefit of the region and the nation. I commend the board and management of the NDDC for their recent efforts to reposition the Commission for greater service delivery. I charge you to redouble your efforts and continue the good work. As we remain steadfast in our commitment to developing this critical region, I call on the people of the Niger Delta to continue to support the programs and policies of our government. The train of development is gathering significant momentum, and you shall reap the full benefits of your support. My dear good people of the Niger Delta, your sacrifices for this nation are acknowledged and appreciated. You have come a long way. and your dignity, strength, and resilience continue to inspire all of us. I congratulate the NDDC on its 25th anniversary. On behalf of a grateful nation, I acknowledge the significant difference the Commission has made over the years. If the current momentum is sustained, the NDDC will continue to be an invaluable tool in facilitating the even and sustainable development of a region that is economically prosperous, socially stable, ecologically regenerative, and politically peaceful. I take note of all your requests for the attention of Mr. President. I thank you for the wonderful comments all of you have made, from the President, former President Jonathan, and my younger brother, the President of the Senate, who says the South-South stand on the mandate of Mr. President. Long live the Niger Delta region. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has spoken, and indeed he has spoken well, represented by the Secretary to the Government of the Federation. The region has played a significant role in Nigeria's development before and after independence.